I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to help you get rid of that annoying circular reference warning when you open some documents in Excel. All right, so I'm going to open my document and oh man, there's that silly little warning sign again. There are a couple of ways to get rid of this. The most suggested way is to actually find the reference it's talking about. How am I going to do that? If I go to Formulas, under the Error Checking tab, you will see Circular Reference, and it's telling me, oops, it's in C21. So I go to C21, and here's my circular reference. That's because my formula is referring to the cell that I'm in. So if I just change that to 20, I get an accurate number, and I'm not going to get that warning anymore. However, if for some reason you need that circular reference and you can't find where it is, you can do this. Under File, under Options, you have where you can set your Excel options. Now, I am going to warn you, the setting we're going to do here goes across the board, and you will not see this warning ever again. I do not recommend it, but if you insist, here's your option. So, if you really must do this, go to Formulas, choose Manual, and uncheck Recalculate. Now, one thing, whenever you change some data in this file and you've unchecked this, you'll need to go in and manually recalculate. And then click this box over here, and when you hit OK, now if I save, oh, no reference warning, oops, and I'm going to recreate my circular reference. And I'm going to close this, and I'm going to open it again, and no warning. So there you have it. Another way you can turn off the circular references, although I really recommend just fixing the error first. Hope that helps, and have a great day.